Hello everyone. Well, let me tell you this. I know I'm starting the vlog super late, but I was waiting for another friend to get my memory card, and so अब जब आ गया है memory card यहाँ पे, so I'm off to Baroda. I'm meeting a friend, a brother from another mother. I'm meeting Deepen, and we have been together since ages. I got to know that he's in Baroda. He's in Australia right now. But I got to know that he's visiting India and he's in Baroda. So अब अहमदाबाद से हम निकल रहे हैं बड़ौदा के लिए. It's about 2:15ish. Oh, I know it's going to be super duper hot, but I have to do it. I'm going to be in Baroda today, meeting few of my other school friends as well. So yes, almost ready. जाएंगे. Before I leave, I want to have Zen का coffee, so we'll go there, go to Zen and coffee पीते हैं और फिर आगे की तैयारियां करेंगे. Till now that's a very popular Zen ka coffee. So just before I leave, I want to show you my setup. I have my bag. I have like 2 t-shirts, maybe a short for tonight, and my camera DSLR. I'll not be shooting. I don't know if I'm going to shoot from that one, but अगर कुछ images होंगे तो click करूँगा. But that's it. That's about it. And the jacket and the bike is ready. You can see. Plan करेंगे and we'll leave now. You know, there are times where when I'm super fresh and I have a destination to reach, I normally don't stop. And today is one of that day because I'm like super fresh, and from Ahmedabad to Baroda that's not a much difference. I think it's just 120 kilometers. But while riding, I saw this, and I had to stop. I really had to stop. Look at that. Look at that view. That's the highway for all of you. This is the main highway from Ahmedabad to Baroda. This is massive. I'm just gonna sit here, chill for a while, and then leave for Baroda. Well, everybody who knows me, they know how much I love water. I would have gone down. I really would have gone down, but I have a destination to reach, and I'm equally very excited to see Deepen as well.
Let's go.
तेरे को किडनैप करूँगा बोल रहा हूँ. That's Deepen, everyone. The hero who's returned from Australia. चलिए अंकल. See you Andy. Bye. So we are at Kapurai Chokri, and now we have to look for Eskimo's farmhouse. That's Kapurai Chokri, and I think it has to be straight somewhere. We'll see. So we are at the right place, huh? Eskimo farmhouse. What's your name, yaar? I didn't get. Rajneesh. Hi, yaar. I didn't get your name as well. Anil bhai. Hi, Anil bhai. I hope you're okay with the camera on, yaar. थोड़ा म्यूजिक बंद हुआ है, उसके पहले मैं बात कर लेता हूँ. We are at Eskimo's farmhouse and it's a lovely property. I've already shown you around. Deepan is here and I'll go. Ramesh bhai is in some other room. We'll go knock, see, meet him as well. He's probably taking a bath. So we'll just wait. We'll let him go. So शाम ढल गई है, but I really wanted to give like a small room tour kind of thing. It's a small setup very close to Dabhoi, like probably in the middle of Dabhoi and Baroda, somewhere in the middle. But let me give you this is where you enter. Ta-da-da-da. These are beds, and that apparently is me. So lock ले लेते हैं. So Ramesh bhai is downstairs and we've already met. But I'll still make you guys meet him. So चलो off करते हैं. See, that is Ramesh bhai. Ramesh bhai light में आपकी शक्ल दिखाओ. Light में नहीं आ रहा. This is company default problem. But anyways, that's Ramesh bhai, and had to catch up. Told them to switch on the lights and look at the place now. That's a pool. I love the pool, man. In fact, I love the lights. And that's a small setup. Eskimo's farm. Australian is tripping already. देखा इंडिया, देखा तू, मजाक नहीं है इंडिया साले, क्या कर रहा है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Me and Deepan, we go long back. In fact, even before we started wearing langots. So the reason we can't even be langotia friends. We go even beyond that. So I have to come and meet him. Yes. Now, what is the plan? Plan is to just chill. We have one more friend who used to be with us in the school, but he'll be joining us as well, and we will chill. और अब कुछ करने के लिए है नहीं, तो हम चिल मारेंगे, तो कुछ नहीं. So just to give you an introduction, I wanted to talk about Ramesh bhai. Ramesh bhai actually was the one who got me my first event. So he got me into events, like the major events, and that's our story. So we just finished the dinner. We had an amazing aloo paratha. Aloo paratha, dahi and achar. It was massive. And now some chash to finish it. Cheers. So yes, some more chash to finish it, and then we're done. And then we're done. अब हम लोग कल मिलेंगे, ठीक है? चलो. Good morning, guys. Just got up. And that's Ramesh bhai, who's already ready. कितने बजे? 6 बजे उठ के रेडी हो गए थे. 6 बजे उठ जाता. कौन उठता है अच्छी तरीके से? First, some bataka poha. Looks amazing though. फुल घर का खाना. So we got busy with talking with each other and we're just catching up, but I really wanted to show you around. I'm on the terrace right now, but look at the place. That is the pool, the resort. That's where we were sitting last night. The plan is I have to reach Ahmedabad. I have 2 meetings lined up. So what we'll do is we'll just change now and so we'll just change now, get fresh, and I'll leave for Ahmedabad and I'll drop this guy at his place. So that's the khana for us. Brinjal and potatoes, chana, some dal, roti, you have chash, and you have rice right there. Yes. Khayenge bhai. Now the plan is I will drop Deepan at his place in Manjalpur, and then I'll head off for Ahmedabad. Q. So done with loading all the luggage. Thank you, Ramesh bhai. Had an amazing time. Thank you, man. Lovely meeting up. He's the owner. He's the owner of the place. So just in case you guys are coming here, you know who to catch hold of. See you, man. Bye. काका चाय मर से एक चाय पी दो. Alright then, done with the chai, done with checking some mails and replying some people on the new song that I did called Tara Vina. Only if you guys have heard, do share it. Now off to Ahmedabad. Let's go. So I'm finally home. Had an amazing trip. I'm so glad that I did this because I had to catch up with both of them, Ramesh bhai and Deepan. Both of them I had to meet. Obviously Deepan because he's leaving on the 3rd, so I had to do this. So anyways, I'm home now. Super excited to see my parents because I really miss them when I'm out for like a day or two as well, because I don't get to see most of the time in the year I don't get to see them. So I'm super excited. I'll go see my parents. You guys have an amazing one. Loads of love to every single one of you who's watching this vlog. My name is Billy. Do subscribe to the channel.